Yo, what's going on, everybody? Finally, a good update. Been waiting for this for a long time. Got it back. Got the 335. I back with the single turbo installed. Got that thing back. See what we got under that hood, right? Precision 6466 on 3 manifold. Precision wastegate. PCV catch can setup. Running sweet, running beautiful. Added a lip to the front, and wheels looking good. I tried to put the drag setup on here and did not go as planned. The rims did not fit over the caliper. I tried it anyways to see if I could rub off a layer, which is stupid. That was pretty disappointing. It looked great though when it was on. I should have took some pictures, man, but I was so pissed off about the fact that I had to shave the rotor down now, so I don't even know if I want to do all of that. I mean, not the rotor, the caliper. I have to shave it down to make it fit. So I'm not even bothered with that, but it did look pretty gnarly. And so we do have an extra 6266 if anybody's looking for one. I'm gonna send it to get rebuilt this week. We went with the found this 6466 for 800 bucks, ball bearing. You know, things pulls hard, gnarly, man. I mean, I really can't complain. Ooh. So yeah, y'all, well, I appreciate y'all checking it out. Look, we got the front bumper on the 340 M Sport. So I don't know if I'm gonna sell this bad boy or not. If I remember, it has the upgraded pistons, coated bearings, so it should make some good power. Yesterday I did some runs, but I was on wastegate because I hit the preset wrong on the GFB, so I'm super disappointed about that. But
and we say bye-bye.
to take it out one more weekend. All right, y'all, stay tuned for some highlights. Talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching.